Hi, my name's Stuart and I'm from Blackmagic Design, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the new Atem Mini Extreme ISO G2, which is the second generation version of this particular video switcher. The Atem range is quite a significant one. It ranges everything from these small Atem Minis all the way up to our Constellation 8K switchers, and even beyond that now we've got 4ME switchers with 80 inputs and 48 outputs. But this one in particular is an incredibly powerful desktop mounted video switcher with the ability to make not only live switches but also to record the ISO feeds. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with what ISO recording is it means that every single one of the inputs on these can be recorded to an external drive so that we have all of the independent video feeds separately. What it also means is that we can record the program output so that we can have at the end of our switch individual camera inputs plus also that final mix that we have done on location. Not only that, but we also get with this as well a DRP file, which is a DaVinci Resolve file, that allows us to reassemble the entire switch in a post-production environment. And if we wanted to adjust and we wanted to amend any of that mix for maybe a shorter form version of that, or if we wanted to be able to re-edit it so that we can put that out as a full piece, we're able to go in and access each of those individual inputs and change each and every one of those to be the right one that we want for that particular shoot. It will also sync all of those as well. So if we've chosen, say for instance, camera 1, and instead we want camera 3, it will all be synchronized and all be very, very easy for us to amend that and adjust that within DaVinci Resolve. On the back of this unit, we've also got a CF Express card slot, which means we can record directly to CF Express. We've also got on there as well 2 USB-C connections, which we can also record to. And we've also got 3 independent HDMI outs. Now, this entire switcher is HDMI based, which means that we're working within a HD environment. Connectivity is obviously very, very simple and straightforward. It's a simple HDMI connection in. But we do actually have with this also some very advanced audio features. So we've added in there as well MADI, and we've also added in there as well XLR connectivity as well. And then we've also incorporated within the Atem control software all of the Fairlight audio controls as well, which means that we can do some pretty extensive audio tweaks to this as well. You'll see in terms of the ergonomics of the unit, it's small in size, very, very lightweight. We've also got our cut bus, which is along the bottom. We can hold down the preview button and we can also switch the preview as well. We've also got a built-in multi-view. We've also got in there as well DVEs, and then a series of other effects that we can use as well. This is available in July. We will hopefully be getting these out to customers. We've also had a lot of interest in this at the show. And for anybody who is working within a small consolidated live production environment, this is the ideal switcher for you. You can go and find more information on blackmagicdesign.com, where all the information about this new product is. And if you'd like to talk to any one of our offices, feel free to reach out.